Yeah, good evening, everybody. So, good evening, everyone. Welcome to today's class. So, yesterday we started our project two, and we did only we tried to understand how each day of the week affects the sales at a certain bakery. So today we want to know if we want to know if this bakery, if this the product that this bakery sells, we want to know if it exercises or it showcases what we want to know as seasonality. I explained seasonality. Seasonality means a product that sells only during certain months of the year. So we want to know this cakes or this bakery product, when do they sell the most? Do they sell maybe only at the beginning of the year, or only at the ending of the year, or only at festive seasons? So we want to know which months of the year do they have majority of their sales. So that will be analyzing as our first task today. So as usual, go to your open the data on your Excel, click on any of the cell, then go to insert, then click on pivot table. Okay, as usual. So today we want to know the month. So you drag this weekday to see where the weekday here. So drag it to let me take it. Okay, I want it to be in the row label. Drag it to the row label. Okay, you don't understand what's going on. Okay, let me take that. Okay, so I want you to drag this weekday to the row label, and now sorry, weekday. I mean date rather, not weekday. That was not going before. Drag this date to the row label. Then you drag each product to the value label as usual. So you drag your pie, drag your cookies, drag your smoothies. Yeah, we have your smoothies and also have the coffee. So if you observe this data now, you'll see that, oh boy, we're only giving the dates. We're not giving the month of date. The month of the year has not been summarized. How do I put it now? Like while they're recording the sales, they didn't record it based on month. They recorded it based on dates. But now our employer is telling us that I need to know um which month do we have the majority of our sales. But what you have here is date, not the month. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. So what I want to do now is to summarize this data into months. You understand? We want to summarize it from giving us a particular day to giving us a particular month. If you observe now, this data is bulky. Let me scroll down. You see that the number of data we have here is very many. It's very many, very many. And our only task here is to determine the monthly sales. So uh, what you want to do here is, okay, first of all, let's bring these studies to average. Convert all these products, change it to average. We don't want some. We want it to be average on the average. I think I explained Baba made it on average yesterday. So the reason for the average is, so observe the sum is total number of sales, but I want to know on the average how much do you sell. That's why I want you to make an analysis. Some will give us a wrong explanation, so average will be better. So put all your products, change the value settings to average. So we've done that. So now we've brought out a spreadsheet that shows the average number of sales that occurred at each day that was recorded. But our goal here is not to record each day, it's to record each month. So what you want to do now, you go to this row label, click on the drop down arrow. All together. Click on the row. Okay. I think you should go more sort option. Okay, no, shouldn't be there. Click on this drop down arrow. Click on this drop down arrow. Then you're looking for what is known as grouping. You got to be grouping somewhere here. Okay. Let's do this. Alright, sorry. Go to any of the cells under the row level. Then right click. When right click, you see something known as group. I see this group here. Click on it. So now if you observe, it's starting from the beginning of the date to the end of the date, which is 2016. This is from 2013 to 2016. So our goal is to analyze it. We want to break it down to be in months, not in date. So you will pick months. Click month. Oh, I mistakenly picked minutes. Let me go back again. So click on months and unclick minutes. We don't want minutes. We don't want minutes. We don't want seconds. We want only the month. Oh boy. It's got this yellow tick I'm using now. Alright, so click on months only, then you click on OK. Now if you observe that big data that you are seeing that time, those big huge number of spreadsheets that have been summarized to this. Now you can see that this is the number of sales that occurred at each month of the year. So that's that. So that's okay. We can actually, if you don't want to stop here, you can still go further and express this in a chart format. So you can put any of this graph. For example, go to insert, then click on line. So it will express this data in a graph format so that it's easily understandable. In case your employer unable to read this one clearly, you can use what's known as visualizing tool, which is this graph, to explain to him better. Obviously, now you can see that from this graph, you can understand that what's the name? Okay, this purple color is okay, average of smoothies. Because that smoothies increase in sales between March and September. I seen it. You see this spike in sales. You understand? This explains that the smoothies undergo what is known as seasonality because it spiked. The number of sales spiked like it went higher than usual from between the month of March and September. So we can now say that that product exhibits what is known as seasonality. So from this data, you can also tell that the product that bringing the highest number of revenue is the cookies, which is green, which is this green one here. And the next is the coffee, and so on and so forth. So I think we've answered our first goal for the day, which is months of the year. So that is that. All right. Let me pause this video and get to another one.